Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening display settings so you can change font size reliably. Right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. This puts you in the right control panel. Once there, make sure your primary monitor is selected if you have more than one, because settings apply per display. Check the current scale and layout values and the resolution so you understand the baseline. This initial check prevents surprises when you adjust text size and ensures you change the right display. You now pick how to increase font size. Use the scale drop-down under Scale and Layout for quick changes like 125% or 150%, which affects text, apps, and other items. If you need a custom value, click Advanced Scaling Settings and enter a percentage between 100 and 500. This is useful for odd monitor sizes. Make sure to apply, and when Windows prompts you to sign out, do so. Signing out and back in finalizes the scaling, so apps render correctly. Finish by fine-tuning text only through Ease of Access. Go to Settings Ease of Access display and drag the Make Text Bigger slider. This changes only font size without scaling app elements, so you preserve layout. Click Apply and review immediately. If text still looks off, try a slightly different slider value. If windows or apps appear blurry or layout breaks, reset scale to 100% and restart. That troubleshooting step clears mixed DPI issues and gets you back to a known good state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.